Hey everyone! Today we're looking at incredible lucky moments on the rails, where the line between risk and safety is razor thin. This video is all about raising awareness for rail safety. Watch, learn, and stay safe. Let's get started.
Yes!
Thank God it was the railroad worker who saved the man's life. Stopping a train isn't as easy as hitting the brakes on your bike or car. When you take that risk, you're not just putting yourself in danger. You're expecting the impossible from the train operator. Don't gamble with your life over a few seconds of impatience. Looks like the Grim Reaper took a nap on this one. Just be patient and wait for the train to pass. Don't trade your life for a moment of impatience. Remember, this is a road, not a racetrack, buddy. By the way, they messed up the sidewalk. An oil train hit a truck after the crossing arm came down on it in Evans, Georgia. Luckily, everyone is okay. A few train cars unexpectedly tipped over while the train was moving, but luckily, no one was hurt. If you were in this situation, what would you do? Never try to test your strength against a train. You'll lose every time. I can't help but wonder why the signal lights and barriers never seem to work when they should. Don't hesitate to drop a like or give a shout out for this guy's good deed. This is the answer for those who say, I don't want to wait for the train to pass. It's hard to believe people just walk on the tracks like it's no big deal. Do they really think the train is going to stop and wait for them? We need more education on the dangers of train tracks because not everyone gets a second chance. Follow the traffic rules so you never end up in a mess like this. Not just the owner, but that black car got pretty lucky too. Thank God for keeping us safe. Don't take trains lightly. They can change everything in just a second. Thankfully, no one was hurt, but this is a reminder. Never try to beat the crossing signals. Even a tank is no match for the power of a speeding train. This is a wake-up call about keeping a safe distance when standing near train tracks. I guess that truck driver thinks the flashing red lights at the railroad crossing are just for decoration.
each and every day. Safety, as you know, is paramount.